The Batmobile was designed to resemble the car from the Batman film, and it was based on a 1995 Mitsubishi. The two-seater cabin is accessed through upward swinging doors, akin to swallow wings on this special version. Low windows give off a squinting, ominous look despite providing poor visibility. The side mirrors, wings, and U-shaped steering wheel are all adorned with bat emblems. The Batman mask contains the rear lights. There are dummy machine guns in front of it. A huge spoiler on the roof that resembles a bat's wing completes the Batmobile look. A Wildcat EV prototype that boasts a plethora of clever features has been revealed by Buick. Many design features were taken from the Wildcat, which is why the name was chosen. The two-seater coupe-style car features a curved radiator grille and roof lights that extend onto the car. The car is 197 inches long and very roomy. The roof is raised slightly to make the second row easier to access. There are 4 displays in place of a dashboard, 2 of which are built into the doors to display pictures taken by rear-view cameras. The car actively uses biometric access, aromatherapy, and artificial intelligence. The technology lowers stress levels and keeps an eye on the driver's heart rate. In Zen mode, for instance, it can automatically begin massaging the seat, turn down the lights, and fill the cabin with a relaxing scent. Are you willing to bring your beloved sauna with you into the woods? Then you should use this invention. For 8 to 10 people, Native Narrative Company provides a mobile sauna. Similar to a trailer, it travels quickly. There's a dressing room section and a steam room with a fireplace, stones, and a big window behind a glass door. Everything is lined with black larch outside and Scandinavian spruce inside. A single charge of the built-in battery provides lighting for 60-70 hours. The light can be turned on using an integrated panel concealed behind the wooden paneling, or with a smartphone via an app. For people in wheelchairs with special needs, there is a ramp at the entrance. With the Air Saber Elite X2 dual-barrel air rifle, you can now hunt bears, deer, elk, and rabbits in silence. Using compressed air from a tank that can be replaced, it fires arrows. This refill lasts for 25 shots. Arrows are fired in a sequential manner. Which one is fired next is selected by a switch up front. Accurate aiming is provided by the optical sight, and deviation from the target is eliminated by the lack of recoil, thanks to PCP release technology. Another innovative technology, straight flight, ensures a straight flight path as opposed to a curved one by delivering compressed air directly to the tip of the arrow rather than the rear. Up to 450 feet per second can be shot at. This office chair appears futuristic and is gravity-defying. It is upholstered with Italian velvet and fabric and made of a solid piece of aluminum alloy. The chair looks fantastic because of its elegant curves. Convenience, though, is paramount. The mechanism is made of fiberglass and aviation-grade plates, just like in a spacecraft. Lying down gives you a sense of weightlessness. Owing to the intricate mechanism, individuals with varying body types can effortlessly recline at any angle and settle into a comfortable position. There are 6 ways to adjust the armrests. The contour of the seat cushion is like a waterfall. This form reduces pressure on the hips and lower back, while effectively increasing the contact area. A mobile stand designed to facilitate speedy auto body repair in the field has been introduced by Shanghai developers. It allows you to set up a mobile, professional auto repair station anywhere in the world. With 4 supports, the platform height of the stand is 5.5 inches. A car weighing 7,700 pounds can be raised to a height of 70 inches using it. The pressurization of oil, pumped by a hydraulic pump, is made possible by hydraulic cylinders. To aid in repairs, a plethora of extra tools are placed on the platform. For the sill seam, for instance, there are clamps that can be adjusted in height, making it simple to securely seal the metal before welding. Attached to the platform's front is a vertical beam. When body geometry alignment is required, the stand functions as a post and is managed by a separate hydraulic cylinder. The Kutre company has introduced a novel ultrasonic cutter into its manufacturing line. You can make a lot of handcrafted things with this small, light device, including dental prosthetics. Thanks to the tip's high-frequency vibration, which occurs at 40,000 times per second, precise and delicate cutting is possible. It is possible to switch out the blades based on the material being worked with. Simple controls and a high-end design distinguish the device. One button on the body handle controls the cutting process and mode selection. In addition to many other materials, it can cut plastic, resin, acrylic panels, leather, PVC, and rubber. A battery-operated single-seat electric hang glider has been introduced in Switzerland. It is held on the ground by the pilot's feet and strapped to his or her body. The pilot closes the hatch by tucking in their legs after it takes off from an elevated position. It takes 15 minutes to complete the launch and preparation process. Using height and direction pedals connected to flaps, it can take off in zero wing conditions. For safety, a 670 square foot parachute is used. You can open or close the cockpit. The pilot uses his or her feet, or specialized wheels on the fuselage's underside to land the aircraft. It takes 5 minutes to install or remove the 10 kilowatt electric drive. It enables takeoff from wheels on a level, solid surface. This Swedish log splitter facilitates the process of chopping. There's no need to hurt your back swinging a big axe. Attached to the stump is a special device. For this, a drill is all you need. After that, you can get to work. The wedge is driven into the wood by the log splitter using gravity. The special weight needs to be set in motion in order to accomplish this. This makes splitting logs easy and requires little work. Because the device comes with an extra impact sleeve, the process is safe and no metal splinters will form. After logging, special rotary rakes were developed for clearing forests. After the initial pass, you can use their assistance to level the surface and remove any remaining plant residue from the soil. Even massive tree trunks can be removed thanks to the system, which weighs roughly 8 tons. From the driver's cabin, the rake's passage's height and width can be changed. For this, there is a hydraulic system. Such machinery aids in preparing the ground for other tasks, such as planting new trees. Completely remove stubborn labels from clothing with the aid of this small device. You run the risk of tearing the seam or damaging the fabric if you use a pair of scissors or a blade. Small scratch remnants might also be present. 3 AAA batteries are needed to power the Look device, which looks like a staple. It takes only a few seconds to remove the tag. Simply press the button and move the device along the label to cut off the label and seal the seam. An app for smartphones that digitizes the label with fabric care instructions is included in the package. An updated version of the Ice Pro trailer has been developed for fans of winter fishing. It will be a warm spot to unwind in the winter. Even with an ATV, it can be transported because of its lightweight design. Unlike traditional ice houses and tents, it is distinguished by its innovative design and use of fiberglass. It is possible to lower the trailer to a height of 1 foot over the ice. Drilling holes from the inside is possible thanks to special hatches in the floor. It can be used to transport different kinds of gear and equipment. A soft bench and multiple storage cabinets are located inside. For comfortable relaxation, the trailer also has a heating system installed. For comfort, leisure, and fishing, you can also install a smart TV, swivel chairs, fish finders, and generators inside. One person can do the work of 2 with a set of spray rollers for painting. The roller's design is modular. The design allows for one-motion paint spraying and rolling back. A novice can achieve professional results with such a roller. Even on textured surfaces, you can achieve a consistent coat of paint with this roller. It works well for painting roofs, windows, doors, and walls. Its long handle and lightweight design eliminate the need for a ladder, making painting a simple and pleasurable task. These intelligent stovetop knobs will simplify your life and improve the safety and ease of cooking. It is possible to install them in place of standard knobs. They have a remote control module and unique sensors installed. For instance, you can set a timer for the stove using a smartphone app. Ohm will detect it and turn the burner off if you forget to do so after 15 minutes and nothing happens. The burner can be controlled remotely, and you can lock the stove to prevent unauthorized access at the appropriate time. Those of you with small children at home may find this useful. The problem of fitting two cars into a small garage or driveway is one that many people face. With the help of a special parking slider, this problem can be resolved. Without turning around, the moving platform makes it easier to move the car sideways in the garage. You can make room for another car to drive in by doing this. With just a few basic tools and the help of the instructions, you can assemble the slider by yourself. In order to accomplish this, the car platform is installed on top of floor-mounted guide rails. With the touch of a button, the electric motor inside can quickly move the car to a different area of the garage. The problem of a depleted smartphone battery has an answer in the form of the new MKOS power bank. Like a retractable tape measure, it has an integrated flat cable with a Type-C connector that retracts back inside the housing. The power bank itself can be simultaneously charged with the cable, making it suitable for charging devices. You won't run into a scenario where you have a phone and a power bank, but no cable to connect them with, thanks to it. Fast phone charging with a 20-watt power output is supported by the 5000 mAh battery. To prevent losing or forgetting the power bank, you can fasten it to clothes or backpack straps using a carabiner located on its body. Skiers who have been injured on snow-covered mountain peaks can be rescued by Trailhander shuttle rescue sleds. They use a hitch to fasten to a snowmobile. Stretchers and other medical equipment can fit comfortably inside. A self-contained power system powers numerous medical devices as well as the lights. There is one back door at the back and one transparent side door that opens upwards to provide access to the enclosed cabin. A Webasto heater, 12-volt battery, stretchers, mounting system, and medical chair are among the standard equipment. Shock-absorbing, wide skis make it easy to navigate uneven terrain and safely transport injured people. You can charge a cell phone through the sled's integrated socket in order to make emergency calls.